Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, you'll see another decorative of Christmas. So without wasting time, let's begin. Hello again. So let's start with the video now. So firstly, I'll be taking a sheet of 9 into 9 centimeters square shape. Fold it this way. Then another fold. And one last fold. So totally you'll have to fold 3 times. And take the open end where the end is open. From that side you'll have to cut it as I am showing now. Then another cut from below. This is the last one. So once you have cut 3 layers like this, open it. Okay. So this is how you'll get it. Take the second layer of each side and fold it to the middle. You can see it. Fold it. Same thing again. So I folded all the 4. Now we will have to glue it. So let's do that. I hope you can see the table. So I'll glue all the 4. So I have stuck all the 4 sides. So this is how you get it. Once this is done, you'll have to stick the stone. I'll be sticking this pearl one. So I'm done with one. So this is how you get it. I'll do the other one. So I am done with the second one. Now we'll stick both of them from the back side, but see to that it is not same way. You should keep it as I am showing you, like this. So stick it this way. Let me do that. So this is done now. You can see it. Now we'll take a woolen thread or any craft thread you can use. I'll tie it here. So I'm ready with this now. So similarly I made 3 more. I'll show you those. One is this, which is purple and pink. I made 2 of these same type. And one is plain white, for which I have put the stone of a different color instead of pearl. And along with these I have made this. I stuck the ice cream sticks this way using the silicone glue, and I sprayed golden spray paint, so that's why it's looking golden. So now I will tie these to this. I'll show you how. So I stuck the white one here as it had a different stone, and other 3 with the pearl stone. I have hung it here, as you can see. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also if you're new here, then subscribe to the channel. I'm sure you'll love the videos ahead. Also the previous ones, do watch it. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.